So a couple of years ago I got these two mallard drakes, and I learned from a Field and Stream magazine a pretty cool, it's called a European mount, just another way to utilize parts of the animal. So instead of just breasting or plucking the bird, I'm going to show you, it comes out to a project about that big that you can hang from your rear view mirror. Done it before, so now I'm just going to do a little how-to video on how you can also do that with the ducks that you get next season. So first things first, they've been in the freezer, and the legs are frozen to the head, and just like anything else, you want to go ahead and give them a little bit of a boil. You don't want it too hot, but enough to warm it up so that you can skin it back. And they go super fast, not very much time, and everything peels off. As you're able to tell, we got to just about the end of the top of the head, maybe 1-2 more boils. Got the bottom jaw separated, it's just got a little bit there in the front, a little bit in the back. Both legs are almost complete, so about another boil or two, and then we'll be ready for putting together the little project. Right, so the first time that I did this a while back, I used a hot glue gun, but I use this for fletching my arrows. It's Ducko cement, and I figured because it's a little less messy and it's really strong, I'm going to try actually using this to glue this together. So in the boiling video, I boiled this out, but remembered that I don't actually need it, so I'm going to set that to the side. I'm only going to need the 2 back legs, the head, the glue, and some string. So one thing you might notice when you're doing this is it gets pretty fragile right in here of the duck head. So I'm just going to touch up just a little bit on some points with this glue, but otherwise glue it in an X. You're going to glue this right on top like so. So here we go. If you like that video, you like what we're about, please make sure to go and subscribe to our channel. Like the videos, dislike whatever you felt, but if you dislike it, please leave a comment giving us advice on how we can improve. And we're all about learning, growing, and sharing that information with others. So if you have any special requests or things you want to learn about, please shoot us a message on Facebook, on Instagram, personal message on YouTube, or email us at unboundedpursuit@gmail.com. And we'll do our best to gather the information for you and try to interpret it the best that we can and get it back to you to help you learn. Thanks.